Hello everyone. Shopify and Wix are a top online tools for using to create our online stores. But the both tools' purposes are different. Shopify is e-commerce oriented. Wix is give a high priority for creating a blogs. But there is a difference between Shopify and Wix. If you want to create an online store, which one you will prefer, Shopify or Wix? In this video, I will give you 4 major difference between Shopify and Wix. Why you choose Shopify? Because there is a better points than using Wix. Let me see in this video. The first point, think this particular online tool for who? Where is the Shopify users? Who are the Wix users? Shopify is for a large store owners. Wix is best for beginners. I am talking about e-commerce purpose, not for a blogging purpose, e-commerce purpose. Wix is a beginner-friendly online tool to create your store. If you want to sell less than 100 products, Wix is the best one. But if you plan to improve your store, more than 100 products, choose Shopify. Because in Shopify have a lot of advantages than Wix. The next difference between Shopify and Wix is apps market. Apps means applications. Applications are useful to add some extra features in our stores. For example, in our online store, we want to get the user emails because we are planning to send newsletters after a week or month to our users. Maybe they are purchased or not, that's not an issue. We want to sell some newsletters about our new offers, new discounts, new products. We want to share the details with our users. So we need to collect the emails from our visitors. This is the extra feature, apart from our store design and everything. This particular function only can do by an application. That's why we are using application. In Shopify, you can get great range of free and paid apps. There are multiple requirements there. Not only newsletters, not only we want to grab the email. We need to add more features by using applications. In Wix, there is no more applications we can add in Wix websites. See here the Shopify App Store. There are thousands of applications available. There are a lot of categories. But in Wix, we can't find this type of advantage to integrate in our store. It's a website builder. If you are a beginner, you can use Wix. If you want to some more features, prefer Shopify. The next difference between Shopify and Wix is which one is faster. Which one is faster? Which one gives fast loading? You created a store in Shopify and Wix. Which one website loading fast? Most of the time our store will load it in few seconds, right? It depends upon our internet connection. But the truth is, our web server affecting this loading speed. Shopify and Wix both are the hosting platforms. It means we don't need to host our website files on another place. We don't need any third-party hosting companies to store our files. This hosting feature included in our subscription fees in Shopify and Wix. So we don't need to pay anything extra for the hosting fees. So they will take the responsibility to store your files on the servers. They give the security from the hackers and malwares and unwanted issues. They will give you the security for your store. So we need to care about the loading speed. Suppose you run your website in WordPress, you can add some extra plugins to optimize your store and make it fast loading. Or you can upgrade the shared hosting plan to higher plans. You can choose VPS or own server. There is some lot of possibilities on there. But in Wix and Shopify, they provide you the hosting account included in the monthly subscription. So this point of view we will check which one is best, Shopify or Wix. There is some online tools we can verify the speed test. The first one I suggest you, GTmetrix. How fast does your website load? Because website speed is very important. It keeps our visitors stay a long time in our website. If your website is very slow, maybe the customer will go away from your website. They will browse any another site. We can test our website speed in gtmetrix.com. And another one online tool is Pingdom website speed test. As a study, Shopify gives a A rating, and Wix gives D rating. It's a score 85, and the Pingdom test about a Wix store gives 82. The same number of products and designs and everything. The design may be difference between Shopify and Wix, but the test result shows like that. So the speed wise, loading speed wise, Shopify is best one. The next difference between Shopify and Wix is like help and support. We need some assistance after create our store. Not everyone will do in one attempt, and never they don't need a help and support. They need a help and support sometimes. In this point of view, Shopify gives lot of options. We can get help. We can get assistance through the live chat, or by a phone call, or email, or social media, or through their forums. you will get a better response. Wix also provide support in multiple channels, but here Shopify is better than Wix. Why I am telling support is a very important feature, because imagine if your server loading or server imagine your store not loading or getting hacked. What you will do? The next step, you will contact the customer support, right? So on the time, if the customer support delayed the response, that's a negative impact of your store. It will a negative impact for your business, right? So help and support is a very important factor to manage your store successfully. These 4 important difference you consider before choosing an online tool for your store, online news store. I suggest you to use Shopify. I hope this video is helpful. See you on next video. Until then, thank you. Bye.